Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out this wireless adapter for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, so nowadays, modern days, there's more and more vehicles out there that have got Android Auto or Apple CarPlay built into them. Usually got both depending on which device you have. Now there are a lot of cars out there that you have to plug in your phone, plug in your device to make this work, but there are some cars out there that are wireless. Now if you do have a vehicle which requires you to plug in, it can be a little bit of a pain, remembering to plug in, finding an area in the car for the phone to sit in, etc. This is where this comes in. So this adapter turns a wired connection into a wireless connection. So this adapter will plug into the car. Your phone, your Android or your Apple phone will then connect to this wirelessly, meaning you don't need to physically plug in your mobile phone into your car. So in this video, we will check out what's in the box, check out the instructions, see what the device is like. We'll then try it out in a car, make sure it actually does work, see how easy it is to work, and then we'll do a bit of an overview at the end just to confirm the results. So let's check out what's inside the box, see what the product's like. Here we go, it's nicely protected in a foam kind of case. So you can see the adapter there, hopefully. I'll get some close-ups of this in a moment, but nice small USB adapter there. Maybe the size of like a thumb drive, a USB thumb drive. We've then got a couple of adapters that come with it. So depending on your car, your make and model, we'll obviously have different USB inputs or ports in the car. So built into the actual USB dongle is a USB type A port that's on the end of there. So that might be perfect for you, might be able to plug that straight in, away you go. Some cars, more modern cars, come with a USB type C connection. And this is where this comes in. So we've got an adapter here, which the actual dongle plugs into, like so, and that converts it into a USB type C connection there. So now we can plug that into a USB type C port. If, for example, that won't fit into an area, maybe it's in the central area and it will just poke out too much, what it does also come with is a wired adapter. The actual adapter itself, the actual USB will plug into the end of there, and then that USB type C dongle can then be plugged in, and you can maybe hide that a little bit better, or it keeps it out of the way. Obviously the end of the USB type C port is much smaller than the actual adapter itself. We've also got a thank you card in there, and then a set of instructions that come included telling you how to use it. Okay, I've had a super quick look through the instruction book. This should be really simple to set up. It should be a case of plugging in this adapter however you need to into your car. There's a slight difference between Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but fundamentally it's the same thing. You're connecting your phone up to this dongle, which then obviously is connected already into the car. So this should be a case of plugging it into my car. I should then be able to connect up my phone to the dongle, and then we should appear with Android Auto on the screen. So fingers crossed that's going to work, plug and play. It certainly looks like it in the instructions. So let's jump outside, jump into the car and give it a go. Okay, so as you can see, we've successfully used the dongle in the car outside. So the car, just to confirm, for the make and model is a Nissan Qashqai. It's a 2019 Nissan Qashqai, just to give you a reference point in terms of which car we've used and how it's worked. I can't confirm it'll work in all vehicles. This should work in most vehicles that have got a plug-in USB element. Fingers crossed. So overall, a great product, really easy to use. The small format is really useful, fitting into the car. The plug and play element, so you plug it in, connect your Bluetooth, and away you go. There's no messing about, doesn't take too long to get going, so that's a pro as well. So overall, a great product, really easy to use and get going, and definitely something we would recommend.